Students, welcome to the art class. Today, I have an interesting topic for you, which is related to the winter season, and we are going to draw winter clothing. Means the clothes that you wear during winters. Now, you must be studying about this in EVS, in English and Hindi, where you have lessons related to winter season. So what all do we wear during winters? Yes, we wear sweaters, mufflers, jackets, coats, boots, gloves. Also, cap. Let's begin. First of all, I'm teaching you how to draw a sweater. To make a sweater, now you wear it from the head. So first we are making a neck shape. 2 lines, you already know how to draw the neck. I've taught you many times. 2 lines for the neck. So this is a high neck sweater. Sweaters have this weaving pattern on them. So this is the neck area. After the neck, what do we have? Yes, shoulders. After making the shoulders, let's first make a squarish or a rectangular shape would be better. Rectangular shape for the upper body. Here, then again the weaving of the wool, and now let's make the arms. Now we are going to add the same weaving pattern on the cuff area. Now, any design that you would like to add on the sweater, this is one very popular design that you see on any sweater. Now, other than this, any other design which you would want to add, you may do so. I hope you're finding this easy and interesting. Now, let's make boots. Very, very easy. Write down L, long boots. L, 2 L's. Now double, curve. Double, curve. You can make fur on top, or you may just leave it like that. Now show the sole of the boots. And sometimes there are designs on the boots, otherwise no design. It's totally up to you. You might make a zipper. So it's easy to wear the boots. Next, what do we make? Let's make a cap now. Now I am teaching you a simple cap. You can draw a cap that you have. Now this simple cap is make a U shape or a curved shape or a U shape which is inverted, or you can also say a semicircular shape. You may add some fur on the cap, any favorite design on the cap. Let's add one furry pom-pom on top. Some caps have these extensions to cover the ears, and they have cute little braids made of wool. So cap is done. Now let's make a muffler. Let's make a wavy line like this and double it along the wave. Okay? And ends of the muffler show the wool threads. Now on the muffler again, you can have your favorite patterns and designs, or maybe just lines. So this can be a muffler. See, my lines are a bit curved. Okay, and now one more thing what I'm going to teach you, in fact two. Yes, we haven't made gloves. And what about a coat? So when it gets very cold, we all wear a coat. So for the coat, see what we do. We will make a V. Okay, two lines for the shoulders. Then first make one long rectangle, but this rectangle broad at the bottom like a dress. Okay, it becomes broader. All right, remove this line and add the sleeves of the coat. Okay, now time to add the details. Now first join this to this. All right, next draw one straight line. Now see, very soon it will turn into a actual coat. Now next you have to draw two triangles on this side like this. Next, for the bigger collar of the coat has double collar, so two more lines outwards. After making these two lines, we are going to join these over here like this. All right, and now let's add one or two buttons. Pocket in the coat are diagonal shaped like this and double. Next, we need to double this also. All right, and double the sleeves. Now one last thing is left when our little hands feel cold, so we wear gloves. So for the gloves, very easy, just like we make hands. First make one thumb and make a U shape. Okay, and join. Thumb, U shape, join. Make the sweater line, the line that we made in the sweater like this, and then your favorite pattern or design on the gloves can be made. Now time to outline and then color. So pick up your black sketch pen and very neatly on the pencil lines begin outlining. Okay, now time to color the picture. Pick up your favorite colors to color the sweater, cap, coat, muffler. I hope you all are enjoying. This time I'm using plastic colors and not oil pastels. You can use oil pastels if you want. Students, now we are going to follow a different color scheme for the pattern. Purple, pink, leaf green, purple again, and purple. You can use any pattern, you can use any color scheme, and in this area I'm going to do my green, or you can do one green and one pink as you like. Very neatly inside the lines without leaving white spaces in one direction, you are going to color this pattern. Coloring the sleeves now, I've done neon pink and a bright green in the pattern. This wool we are getting from the sheep. and it comes in various different colors. It's dyed in various different colors. So when it's so cold in winters, these sweaters provide us, coats, caps provide us warmth. And when you wear bright colors in winters, you feel happier. Done. Now let's come to the cap. Let me repeat my colors. I want to use this green so that we are following some nice color combinations and we are matching the colors. So my green goes here, also in this. Okay, now for the rest of it, you may pick up a red or any other color that you like. I'm doing red and green. You can take yellow, pink. Other colors also look nice. This cap is reminding me of Christmas. Now I am going to use the red color in this muffler also, along with yellow. So one red, one yellow. Let's follow the pattern. Very neatly inside the lines without leaving white spaces. Students, you can see one red, one yellow. I've used this color combination for my muffler. You can use any color combination that you like. Taking brown color for the boots. You may use any color of your choice. Again, very neatly. Leather boots. Leather again we are getting from the animal. And fur we are getting from the animals. But these days, since we want to save our animals and we do not want to harm them, so that's why faux leather and faux fur, meaning fur and leather which looks like leather but is actually not from the animal, is used. So I've colored the fur and the sole and this zipper part with skin color. Just wanted to make it different. Now coat can be blue, pink, red, black, brown. I just want to do something different and bright. So I'm taking my blue color in one direction without leaving white spaces. For the collars, we can pick up the darker blue if we want. Coat can be green also. Tilting my file a little. The button and this pocket area we are going to color with a different color. This part also. And now the collars I'm doing with a light blue, just so that it stands out and it looks more attractive. I'm totally enjoying doing this topic and I really hope that you all are also enjoying. We are learning new things. It's related to our EVS also. Gloves, we can repeat the blue or we can do any other color. Make sure the designs that you have made, you color them with a different color. So you can see for the designs, I've used a different color. And our topic, winter season clothing, is complete. See you all in the next art lesson. Thank you.